Black and green tea combo speed up the burning of belly fat. It's no secret that every person around the globe loves to eat, but the problem is we don't know when to stop, and this habit results in an unwanted increase in body weight. Excessive body fat leads to many other conditions such as diabetes, cardiovascular problems, and a weakened immune system. But we are very excited to share with you something very healthy today. It's a drink that's twice the power of burning fat, which means it's twice as effective. This double-strength concoction will boost your metabolism to help you burn belly fat fast. It offers many health benefits. This drink is good for your cardiovascular system and will help you with diabetes, particularly by stabilizing sugar levels in your blood. This elixir is also going to improve your immune system. Let's get right into this drink's ingredients. Number 1. Black tea. Black tea can boost your metabolism and bring the body towards a process called lipolysis. This mechanism refers to the breakdown of stored fat that stimulates cycles that metabolize fats. The flavonoids, or a class of substances called metabolites found in black tea, have been proven to help in lowering visceral fat and triglyceride levels, as well as inhibit inflammation-induced obesity. The black tea molecules that get in the intestines will help increase the good microorganisms in the gut microbiome. This process will tell the liver tissues to burn fat deposits more efficiently. Number 2. Green tea. Green tea is one of the healthiest teas because it contains the most potent compound called EGCG, which stands for epigallocatechin gallate. This is the powerhouse compound responsible for the weight loss properties of green tea. This compound boosts your metabolism as well as the breakdown of fat. EGCG will also block the formation of new fat cells. Green tea helps burn brown fat in the body. This type of body fat is metabolically active and helps burn calories. On the other hand, the white fat in our body is what appears when we gain weight. The compounds in green tea burn more brown fat that will ultimately suck out the white fat out of our body. Eventually, this process contributes to improved insulin levels. Number 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has many medicinal properties. Cinnamon helps you lose visceral fat. That's the fat around the abdominal region. It helps support weight loss. It helps lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and boost insulin function and metabolism. Cinnamon is also great in promoting fat burning. A higher metabolism means you have a less chance of fat accumulation in the body. Studies have shown that when human fat cells or adipocytes are treated with cinnamaldehyde, one of the most important compounds present in cinnamon, they express more metabolic reactions, boosting genes and enzymes and promoting fat burning. Cinnamon also helps reduce fat storage. This in turn helps regulate blood sugar in the body by increasing insulin sensitivity. Insulin is the hormone produced by the pancreas, regulating blood sugar levels. Increased insulin sensitivity as opposed to insulin resistance will keep your insulin levels balanced. This is responsible for reducing fat storage as well as sugar cravings. Number 4. Honey. Honey activates hormones that suppress appetite. It has also been proven to improve digestion. A good digestion has a direct correlation on your immune system as well as your metabolism. Honey contains more than 75% of carbohydrates, but it can still help in losing weight. This is so because it has a low glycemic index compared to most sugars. More so, it is filled with natural, healthy antioxidants. If you're still watching this video by 4, please make sure to hit the subscribe and notification bell button. Number 5. Lemon. Lemon juice makes you feel full, supports hydration, boosts metabolism, and helps you lose weight. Lemon juice will help detoxify your system. Lemon contains nutrients that will help cleanse the liver as well as the lymphatic system, which is part of the circulatory and the immune system. The vitamin C found in lemons can help you improve your immune system. Lemons also contain flavonoids, which are plant pigments that are known to have strong antioxidant properties. These substances can help protect your skin from damage as well as help you reduce blemishes. It can help minimize wrinkles and maintain your radiant skin. Now let me tell you how to prepare these simple ingredients so you can start drinking this right away. You're going to need 1 cup of boiled water, approximately 10 to 12 ounces, 1 tea bag of black tea, 1 tea bag of green tea, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, the juice of 1/4 to 1/2 of a lemon, and 1 teaspoon of honey or your preferred natural sweetener. Mix all these ingredients together and enjoy this fat-burning elixir. Consume this before breakfast and before dinner, preferably 2 cups a day to help boost your fat metabolism. If you have a sensitive stomach, take it about 45 minutes to an hour after your meal. It's really your choice. What makes elixir unique is its double-strength properties from the combination of the two teas. Green tea has approximately 20 to 30 milligrams of caffeine per cup, generally around 25. It's almost double for black tea. Black tea also has amazing metabolic properties that help you burn more fat. Have this drink a few hours before bedtime so that it won't affect your sleep at all. We are confident that you will see great results from this tea combo, especially if you couple it with a well-balanced diet. We also recommend that you reduce your sugar intake, get enough exercise, minimize stress levels, sleep well, and drink lots of water. Now, let me tell you about an ancient Japanese tonic that targets the root cause of belly fat. Its secret ingredients were revealed by a maverick Japanese doctor. This powerful drink will melt away all your stubborn fat and has been helping people lose up to 33 pounds of clogged fat in just 30 days. And this is by simply drinking this easy-to-prepare mix daily before 10 a.m. In fact, a 45-year-old mom of 3 named Susan Atlee drank this consistently in the morning and lost 54 pounds in only 7 weeks. You can find her amazing story in the link we left in the description. Please share this video with your loved ones, leave comments, like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Smash the notification bell so you will not miss any of our upcoming uploads. Thank you, see you next time!